What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. And today we are getting into the Hat Club Pinstripe Pack. Now, this pack does release today. So as you're watching this video, that means the hats are already available on hatclub.com. But I do have one here to show y'all the details. So of course, I'm gonna give y'all a better look at the Pinstripe pack. Now, this right here is the 50th anniversary Pinstripe Mets out of the pack. This is the first Pinstripe hat that I'm adding to the collection, so of course it had to be a New York team. So let's break it down. White crown with the blue pinstripes, blue eyelets, blue button on top, all to match the blue top bill, of course. Script Mets front logo, blue on the inside, orange outline, and the front logo is raised off the hat. It's not flat, so it has a nice depth to it. 50th anniversary side patch with those team colors once again, blue and orange. You can see the skyline in there, which is pretty nice. It has this gold and yellow stitching as well. Red, blue, and white flat batterman on the back. Green UV with the white sweatband. There is Hat Club branding on the inside of that sweatband. To some people, a lot of people, it might seem like a minor detail, but I'm a details person, so I really like that they're including that tagging on a lot of their newer releases. Another thing I want to mention is the New Era flag. It's blue and white, keeping it with the theme of the rest of the hat, blue, white, orange, you know, traditional Mets colors. Now, one thing that I do really like about this particular pinstripe pack is the embroidered pinstripes. We've been seeing a lot of different pinstripe collections, but the pinstripes on this hat are embroidered, which I feel like make the hat look good quality, high quality in hand versus having the pinstripes printed on, which doesn't look as good. Now, this is just the Mets out of the pack. There's 12 different teams. So let's go ahead and take a look at the rest, and I'm gonna give y'all my top 5. Starting with the Twins, we got the black crown with the red pinstripes, red visor, red and white Twins script front logo, and it looks like a 50-year anniversary side patch on the side there. That's a good looking hat, and I mean, you really can't go wrong with red, black, and white. I feel like that matches a lot of things. You can go red sneaker, white sneaker, or black sneaker. And then of course you have all of your OG Jordans, which are red, black, and white. The Astros though, that Astros is my top pick out of the pack. I really love what they did with that front logo, the Astros script front logo. I feel like that they really knocked it out of the park. You know, all pun intended. 40-year anniversary side patch on that one. That is a good looking hat. The Oakland Athletics hat is a little bit brighter. It's louder. You have that green, that yellow. It's a vibrant hat. So it's definitely not going to be for everybody, but I can see you pulling off some good sneaker fitted combos with that. The Padres joint is nice. You have the Friar in the side patch, and I do really like that Padres front logo. As far as Padres front logos go, that one for me is like, you know, it's up there. Moving on to the Cubs again, most of these are just classic team colors, blue, red, white. I like that Cubs C. That's my favorite Cubs front logo. You have the 1990 All-Star Game side patch on that one, which I think is probably, it's a favorite. I would say it's a favorite among the hat community. Obviously, I don't speak for the whole community, but that 1990 All-Star Game side patch is very popular. So now we're going to move on to the Yankees. White crown, navy pinstripes, navy Yankee script on the front. It's nice, but I do have to say I like the Mets better. The Mets has an outline. It just has a little bit more oomph, but the Yankees is very classic. I'll give it that. Now, the Marlins, in my opinion, is really nice because I love that teal color. I'm a big fan of color, so of course I like the Marlins and the Diamondbacks. But if I had to choose, I think I would go Marlins, which is kind of crazy because I really like the Diamondbacks front logo, but something about the Marlins is just pulling me back to it. Cincinnati Reds, once again, you can't go wrong with red, black, and white. This one, of course, versus the Twins is more of a white hat, so it's a white crown, red visor, then you have the black, red, and white Cincinnati Reds front logo. As far as front logos go, I don't usually pay much attention to the Reds. I think I have like one Reds hat in my collection. No, maybe two. But I do like that front logo. That's a good looking hat. One that I do really like more than I expected is the Angels. I feel like people are gonna sleep on it, but don't, because you could probably do some really nice things with that. The Mets joint, I already talked to y'all about. This is definitely top 5. The Phillies is a very similar colorway, and of course all of the hats in the pack have the same Kelly green UV, so they all have this green UV that's on this Mets joint right here. Now my top 5 is gonna look like this. We have the Astros top tier hat, The Mets or the Yankees was gonna be second. Come on, I gotta stick with the home team, and it's gonna be the Mets. I just feel like it has a little bit more oomph to it. Like I said before, you got the royal blue, the orange. It's just a good look. Number 3 has to go to that Angels joint. Number 4 is gonna go with the Marlins. The Marlins with the teal pinstripe crown. That one is really nice. Number 5 is going to be the Cincinnati Reds. I like that one as well. Let me know down below in the comment section, what is your top 5 or top 3 out of the pinstripe pack? Of course, I got to show y'all what the hat looks like steamed and curved. So let's get this ready to wear. And just like that, we back. The hat is steamed, it's curved, just like I would normally wear it. And I don't know about y'all, but when I get a new hat, the first thing I'm starting to think of is what am I going to wear with it? So I have 3 matches, 3 sneaker fitted combos to show y'all. First up is the Nike Ambush Dunk High. Now I know there's a lot going on with the sneaker and there's a lot going on with the hat with the pinstripes, but with the right fit, I feel like I can rock both the sneakers and the hat and have it all come together nicely. So this is the first option. Option number 2 would be the Air Jordan 1 neutral gray 85 high. It's simple, it's plain. Let the hat do the heavy lifting, let the hat do the talking. This will make a nice fit together. Number 3, and definitely a happy medium, would be these Air Force One Rucker Parks. Not too much going on, not too little. It's a real nice complimentary shoe. If you pick up any of the Pinstripe Pack hats, definitely tag me in your sneaker fitted combos and your full fits. I want to see what y'all come up with. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will check y'all out in the next one.